Imagine getting some of the premium VPNs for less than the price of a cup of coffee. Priced competitively at just $2 on a long-term plan, it offers a seamless blend of simplicity and efficacy. Its intuitive interface makes it a breeze to use, requiring just a single click to secure your connection. With no complex configuration required, it provides a hassle-free solution for those who are new to VPNs, while still offering the option to tweak settings for more advanced users. So what are the key features of PrivateVPN? Well, to start, it offers IP DNS leak protection, ensuring that your personal information remains secure and preventing accidental exposure. Another essential feature found in PrivateVPN and every premium VPN is, of course, a kill switch. This serves as a digital safety net, disconnecting your device from the internet if the VPN connection drops unexpectedly, so that your real IP address isn't leaked. Additionally, to stay undetected while using a VPN, you need to have stealth mode. This feature disguises your VPN traffic as regular internet traffic, making it invaluable in regions with restrictive internet access. It's also a great feature for accessing streaming services using a VPN, which I've tested personally and it works great. Despite its smaller server network, PrivateVPN delivers impressive speeds across its 200 servers in 63 countries. This ensures that your streaming, gaming, and browsing experiences remain smooth and uninterrupted. Whether you're watching your favorite show on Netflix or competing in online gaming, delays and buffering are very minimal. The service adheres to a strict no-logs policy, ensuring that none of your internet activities are stored or tracked. Combined with military-grade encryption, PrivateVPN offers a fortress for your online data. PrivateVPN, for instance, has a 30-day money-back guarantee, meaning you can try it out risk-free, and if you're not satisfied, you can get your money back. If you want to get the best prices that we mentioned in this video, you can use the link down in the description or click in the upper right-hand corner of this video. Again, we are not sponsored by any VPN, but we do receive a small commission for you using our link, which greatly helps support our channel, so thank you for that. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content in future videos. Your support helps us bring more content and reviews just like these to you, so thank you in advance for that. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.